Connecticut. So here I am because I want to talk to you about my model here. And remember that yesterday we did a deep conditioning treatment on her. Today what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wash her hair, but I wanted you to see how is it that I wash her hair and how is it that I dry it with the towel, so that at home you can do the same thing. So when clients come in and they get a hair color, what we usually do, we leave the color for 35 minutes because it needs to cover the gray, or it needs to give them the tone that they want. So after that, we are gonna wash the hair. But we are gonna wash it with this shampoo right here. And this shampoo is gonna bring the pH of the hair back to normal, and which is super important after having a hair color. Clients love this shampoo because they always are telling me, my God, Dania, it smells like citrus, it's so clean and fresh. So we are gonna wash her hair. So then after that, we are gonna do a second shampoo. We usually recommend concentrating when you're washing your hair on the scalp, because that's where you usually have the buildup if you don't wash your hair regularly. So let's do that really quick. Okay? So I want to take too much of your time, but this is easier to do it on a mannequin than doing it on a client. Sometimes clients, they don't want us to put them on video. So let's wash your hair, and then the next tip would be how to dry your hair when you're using a towel. Usually it's recommended to use a microfiber towel. It doesn't dry the ends of the hair. And you have to be gentle, because if you're not gentle, what is happening is that you are making your hair dry and you are opening more the split ends that you have in your hair. So let's give her, you can see how this shampoo is. It's nice and clear. This smells super fresh. So you wanna concentrate mostly on the scalp, right? You wanna massage the shampoo in. So you at home, you will do a deeper shampoo, but usually we recommend doing 2 shampoos. The first one is gonna take care of all the buildup, gonna remove everything, and the second one is gonna just make sure that you clean your hair very well, right? So after this shampoo that we are doing on her, we are gonna do the second shampoo. And then we are gonna follow by a conditioning treatment, or just a conditioner. I'm gonna use my biotin enforcer right here. This one is gonna strengthen the hair fiber, and this is how it looks. We have it for sale. Remember, we are having our products. You buy one and you get the second one 50% off, guys. So that's a great deal. Whoever is watching, you think that you would like to share this video with friends and family, you can. If you need to update your hair care routine, remember that we have right now buy one and get second one 50% off. So she has nice and clean hair now. We are gonna do conditioner on the ends, and then tomorrow I'm gonna show you how you can easily do a blow dry at home without taking too long. Okay, so we are gonna do, you don't need to use that much, that's all what you can use. Put it always on the ends first, And if you feel that the top is too dry, so then you bring it to the top. But the ends usually are the ones that need the most the conditioner, right? So whoever is washing, let me know where are you washing from. What would you like to know more about? And then what we are gonna do is we are gonna untangle her hair with one of our wet brushes, and we are gonna blow dry her hair. But this is gonna happen later. I just wanted to show you how to do a nice shampoo at home and how we do it here at the salon, and what do we use in our clients. And now you have one of those microfiber towels. You take a towel and you are gonna just, don't go like this, look, don't go like that. You just take the hair, your hair, and you just go like this, okay? And if you have curls, this is a good way to bring your curls back to the hair. Is this helpful for you? If it is, let me know on the comments below, guys. So that's it. This is a good shampoo. Remember that we have buy one, get one 50% off. You don't want to be rough with your hair, otherwise it dries the ends more. So you just want to bring your hair forward like this maybe, and then just go like this. Super quick, super easy. So as I mentioned before, I would like to show you on a human hair, but clients sometimes they are in a rush and they don't want us to be showing on videos, and not all clients they want to be on videos either. Okay friends, so let me know if this is helpful for you. We use a shampoo after color that is gonna bring the pH of the hair back to normal. You can then you do a second shampoo, and then you do a conditioning treatment, and I show you the shampoos that we use here and the conditioning treatment. So tomorrow we are gonna dry your hair, and I'm gonna show you the easiest tip on how to dry your hair at home. It won't take you more than 15 minutes, super quick, super easy, and that's all what we want, right? Remember to go to our link and check the products that we have. Buy one, get the second one, 50% off. Okay friends, remember to go to our blog, and there you can find super quick, easy tips and techniques on how to take care of your hair. Bye, take it easy, have a great Tuesday. Bye bye friends.